Hi. Today we are going to do something a little different. We are starting a new unit on the vocabulary of the home or the house. But of course, houses can look very different. Large, small, apartments, mansions, condos, whatever. Well, for us, we thought about featuring our own home, but we're going to do something fun. So please follow us through our portal as we craft something new.
Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L y hoy vamos a hablar sobre la casa y el vocabulario de la casa. Hi, my name is Señora L, and today we begin our unit discussing the vocabulary of the home. Now, as we know, every home has its own story, from its origin, how it was built and where it was built and why, to its design, where the windows go and what view they see when they look out, the doors, the rooms, the size, the outside. There's always a story there, and whether we know the stories of our homes or not, or who lived there before us, or how it's changed over time, it's all part of the fun. We decided to build our home in the incredible world of Minecraft so that you could see our choice and maybe even decide to build your own in your own unique and wonderful way. So this is me, Señora L, in Minecraft. And this is the beginning of our home. Today I'm going to give you a little tour of what we have done so far. But in our next videos, it's going to change a lot because homes evolve over time, depending on the needs of the family. And in future videos, you'll see the different rooms, like the bathroom, el baño, the kitchen, la cocina, el cuarto, the bedroom, all of that wonderful stuff. And maybe even what we do with the outside, el patio. But for now, please join me in seeing the home as it is right now. First, la puerta, the door. Repite, la puerta. Next, el piso, the floor. El piso es rojo. Our floor is red. And now this is our chimenea. Repite, chimenea. This is our fireplace. But the chimenea also refers to the chimney as well. And I love that in Minecraft, you can, have different kinds of fire. And now we have la ventana. Repite, la ventana, or the window. And out the window, we see nuestros animales, our animals. In another video, we discussed the animals of the home and of the ranch and stuff like that. But here's my favorite. His name is Stanley. And this, of course, is la cama, and eventually where the bedroom or el cuarto will go. And now we've already started on one room, and this room you might recognize. Oops, I just destroyed la puerta, the door. And this is el baño, or the bathroom. As you can see, things are still quite a work in progress, but we're getting there. So all of this in a future video will change again. Because, things are kind of recognizable, sort of, but we'll get there. We're having fun with it. And now up above, you see el techo, the ceiling. And now we go down the stairs, or las escalares. And then, of course, walking along la pared, the wall. And there's la chimenea on the outside. And we rise up to el tejado. Repite, el tejado, the roof, where we can see la luna. And as a new day starts on our home, we'll let it change and grow that much more. Here are more of our animals. Las vacas. Los caballos. I think they're plotting an escape. In fact, I know they are. And yes. And next time you'll see more of el jardín, the garden, el patio, the front yards and the backyards, and all so much more. So until next time, estudiantes, I'm going to close la puerta and hasta luego.